Alright, let's play a little guessing game. Imagine you're in a pinch. Maybe your car needs a quick fix, or an unexpected bill landed on your doorstep. You need a bit of cash, fast, but payday is still a stretch away. Now, here's the question: how much could you realistically access, right now, to bridge that gap? I'm talking about a service like Beforepay. You've probably seen the ads, heard the buzz. But the big question everyone asks is, what's the highest limit they actually offer? It's a question that's more than just a number. It's about financial flexibility, peace of mind, and knowing you have a safety net when you need it. Because let's be honest, life throws curveballs. We all have those moments where a little extra cash can make a huge difference. So, what's the magic number? Well, Beforepay's limit isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. It's not like they just pull a number out of a hat. Instead, they look at a few key things to determine your individual limit. Think of it as a personalized assessment. They're checking to see how much you typically earn, how regularly you get paid, and how you manage your finances overall. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's fair, but give me a ballpark. And I get it. You want to know if it's worth your time. So, while the exact amount varies, Beforepay generally offers cash advances up to a certain percentage of your upcoming pay. This means the higher your regular income, the higher your potential limit. But here's the thing, they also prioritize responsible lending. They're not going to offer you an amount that could put you in a worse financial position. They want to ensure you can comfortably repay the advance without causing undue stress. It's about finding that balance between helping you out and keeping you financially secure. So, how do they do this? They use a sophisticated algorithm that analyzes your bank statements and other financial data. This helps them get a clear picture of your income and spending habits. It's not just about your paycheck, it's about your overall financial health. And remember, your limit can change over time. As you demonstrate responsible repayment and consistent income, you might find your limit increases. It's a dynamic system that adapts to your financial journey. Now, to get to the point, while individual results vary, Beforepay's maximum limit is generally designed to assist with short-term cash flow issues and is a percentage of your upcoming pay. Therefore, to get the most accurate number, you would need to download the app and go through their application process. This will give you a specific figure tailored to your financial situation. The key takeaway here is that Beforepay offers a flexible solution designed to help you access a portion of your upcoming pay when you need it most. It's not about getting a massive lump sum, it's about having a reliable resource for those unexpected expenses that pop up between paychecks. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.